Let's take a look at the key itself. This little hole is where you tie a lanyard, so it can be easily worn around your neck or on your lapel. On the right side, there's a tiny little button. This is a computer lock button. If you press it, it will lock your computer. Finally, on the back is the battery door. It slides down to open, and inside you'll find the slot for a battery. We're going to set up your GateKeeper to unlock your computer kiosk. First, make sure your GateKeeper has a battery inside it. Then, bring it to your computer kiosk. On your computer, you'll notice a new lock screen entitled GateKeeper Login. It'll ask you for a PIN. At this point, you'll need to check your email. You should have received an email from GateKeeper that looks like this. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a section entitled GateKeeper Token, and below it, a PIN number. This is your temporary PIN number. Take this number and enter it into your computer. And hit enter. Now that the computer has identified the GateKeeper, it will ask you to set a new GateKeeper PIN. In the first field, retype the temporary number, which is the number from the email. In the second field, create a new PIN number for yourself. Make this PIN personal and unique, and make sure you memorize it and never share it. And then press enter. Ta-da! You've done it. And now, whenever you want to unlock your computer, you'll use your PIN number instead. Let's double check to make sure it works. We're going to lock your computer and unlock it again. To lock it, press the little button on the side of the GateKeeper, and your computer should lock. Then type in your customized PIN, and your computer should unlock. Voila! You're all set up.